Well, all eyes were on Capitol Hill as the first of public hearings kicked off this week with the testimonies of two officials, that's Ambassador Bill Taylor and State Department official George Kent. Now, joining me live now from Capitol Hill is Congressman Ken Buck, also member of the House Judiciary Committee and House Foreign Affairs Committee. Congressman, thank you so much for joining me for this hour.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.
All right, first I want to start off with your reaction to the first public hearings Wednesday. Now, we heard from Ambassador Bill Taylor as well as State Department official George Kent. Did you personally learn anything new from their testimonies?
I did not learn anything new. I had sat through Ambassador Taylor's testimony beforehand. I felt that a lot of his testimony was based on hearsay, a lot of it was speculation, and I don't believe that he outlined a case for impeachable conduct. I have an open mind. I'm willing to listen to other witnesses, but if this is the best witness the Democrats can present, it is far from being something that I believe would cause the kind of crisis that we need to avoid a past election and avoid the election in 11 months from now based on that kind of conduct.
All right, Congressman, you did mention Ambassador Taylor. I do want to read a statement made by Ambassador Taylor during Wednesday's hearing. Now, he said, quote, "I think it's crazy to withhold security assistance for help with a political campaign." Congressman, you've said what the president was asking for was to root out corruption. Tell me what you mean by that, specifically when it comes to corruption in Ukraine.
So the Ukrainians have had corruption issues for a long time. American businessmen have been complaining about, and Ambassador Taylor recognized this, they've been complaining about corruption in the Ukraine to the Department of State, the Department of Commerce. There have been issues, at least allegations, that the Ukraine interfered in our 2016 election. When you look at all of these things, the president in the transcript says, in the telephone call to President Zelensky, President Trump says, please, I want you to take a call from the Attorney General of the United States to look into the corruption issues. It's President Zelensky that raises the issue of Rudy Giuliani and any possible political answers there.
All right, so essentially you're saying corruption has been a long-standing issue in the Ukraine, and the investigation of corruption has been a major U.S. policy for years. But switching gears, though, I want to get to the whistleblower. Now, the House Intelligence Chairman Adam Schiff says he does not know the identity of the whistleblower and continues to say that. We heard him say that during the hearing on Wednesday. Congressman, is Adam Schiff lying?
I don't know if Adam Schiff is lying. I believe there is evidence that Adam Schiff's staff has met with the whistleblower. In fact, they indicated that they had met with the whistleblower before he filed the whistleblower complaint with the Inspector General's office. Whether they conveyed to Chairman Schiff the identity of the whistleblower, I am not aware of that.
All right, so the next witness, as you know, is to testify will be Maria Ivanovich, the former ambassador to Ukraine. That is set for Friday. She will be the third witness to testify publicly. Congressman Ken Buck joining me live here on One American News, sharing your reaction to the first witnesses called to testify in the Democrat impeachment inquiry hearings. Thank you so much for your time, Congressman.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One American News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One American News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.